Ladies and gentlemen, I'm getting ready to make baked beans again. I was on here once making baked beans. But this baked beans is going to be a little bit of hair, a little bit different. I'm going to put, instead of chopping the bacon up and putting it in the oven, I'm going to put the bacon, the raw bacon, on top of the beans and let the bacon and the beans bake together. So here we go. Beans. I'm going to use 4 cans of these smaller beans. And these are Campbell pork and beans. They're pretty good beans. And I'm going to use 4 cans of these.
Use your spoon.
Where's the spoon? Them beans smell good. You know that? My son is married to a woman. Her family don't eat beans. I don't understand why, but they won't let him cook a bean in the house because he loves beans.
Show them what kind of beans you use. Show the label.
And I'm using Campbell
Hold it
pork.
down.
Campbell
Turn
pork.
it towards me.
Is that towards you?
Here, I'll hold one up. Here we go.
Okay. Pork and beans.
So this is 11-ounce can. We're using 4 11-ounce cans.
4 11-ounce cans.
Yep.
But I think you could use 20 and have 20-ounce cans, a little over 20-ounce cans.
So you want 40 ounces.
Yeah,
Around 40 ounces.
close around about 41 ounces. I'm going to add the onion. Oh, this is it. I add that later. Maybe I better add that now because I want to taste this as we go along. I'm adding the brown sugar. This is how many?
A little over a 1/4 cup.
A little over a 1/4 cup.
It's like a 1/4 cup plus, I guess 1/3 of a cup
Okay.
is what it equals up to.
Can you hand me a little spoon?
I'll rinse it just in case. There you go. What are you tasting for?
I need a little bit sweeter.
Sweetness?
Okay, I added brown sugar the first time, and I'm going to add a little white sugar to make this a little bit sweeter, because I like my beans sweet. That's enough. How many? Is that a tablespoon?
I think it's like about 3 tablespoons.
This is about like 2 or 3 tablespoons I'm adding in here.
But you can make it as sweet as you like.
But you can make it sweet as you like. If you don't like beans too sweet, you can just add a little sweetness. But I like mine sweet. like them too sweet, but I like them sweet. Now I'm going to add a little bit of mustard. Mustard makes these beans taste a little bit better. Don't want to come out. I think that's about maybe a tablespoon.
It's like a teaspoon.
I stir it up in here. Use mustard again. Add just a hair bit more mustard.
Okay. Shake it a little bit. Don't hit the beans with the lid.
Coming out. That's enough.
That's a little.
I touched it.
That's alright. I'll just wash it. I just wash it off, Mommy.
I guess that's about a little half a teaspoon more, maybe teaspoon more. I got 2 cats and a dog. My dog, I bought a kennel for him, a small kennel, and I can't get him to go in there anymore. He's going in about 2-3 times, that was it for him. He won't go in there no more. He tried to push my daughter into it. And he kind of scratched her, I guess, a little bit.
Yeah, he tried to push me in the kennel. I was bent over picking up a ball. And he came up behind me and hit me from the back. He's like a 90-pound dog. And actually tried to push me into the kennel.
Give me a little more sugar.
More sugar?
Just a little more.
Okay.
Like I said, I like my beans sweet. My cats, I got a plain house cat. And then I got one, I think he's a Maine Coon. He's getting bigger and bigger. Yeah, he's a tablespoon. This is good. Yeah, that's right there. That's perfect. Take that away. Now, I put my onions in here.
These are shallots, but you can do shallots.
I
or
like
onions.
shallots. Seems like my son got me started on shallots because he can't eat onions because he's allergic to them, but he can't eat shallots. But it got me started on. He don't even live here no more, but I still eat them and use them. Give me the ketchup.
Yeah, that's about a 1/4 cup of ketchup. And that was like a medium shallot, but like a small onion. But she didn't quite use all of that.
I may need it later on.
Well, I think the pork and beans are already in a tomato sauce. If I
The Malin things makes it taste
yeah, it
better.
has tomato puree.
It makes
in
it
the
taste
beans.
better. Especially the mustard and the sugar.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna have a tomato. I hear that dog snoring. He sound like a man.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I think that's about it. Is that all the stuff goes in it?
Yep, except for
Bacon.
yep.
I have to have my daughter put these beans in the oven for me because I'm older and my wrists are weak and I can't hardly lift anything too heavy anymore. I almost dropped a
Jug of milk.
what do you call, a gallon of milk because it made my hands twist because it's too heavy. Okay. Can you put that? No.
You want me to take the spoon? She's not wasting a drop of it.
Now, my daughter cut the bacon in half, but I guess it'll do. But we don't put too much grease in the beans because I can't have a lot of grease because I don't have a gallbladder. I had it taken out years ago.
You're telling everyone your medical history.
I'm just telling about my gallbladder.
Yeah, you got the oven preheated to 400, right?
Yeah, I got the oven heated to 400. And I'll leave this in there until this bacon gets nice and crisp on top. And the beans get kind of, what do you call it?
The liquid will
Goes down,
reduce.
down, make nice thick liquid.
So yeah, 3 pieces of bacon. Is that enough? You gotta add more.
How many did you cut?
I thought I had cut 3, but I guess.
Huh.
I guess maybe 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I guess I.
Will Greg see this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I guess he'll watch it. All right. So how long will it take to cook?
I wanted to cook until the liquid kind of reduced down to make it kind of thick, and the bacon nice and brown.
All right. So we'll see you guys when it's cooked.
Bye. The beans are finished, and the bacon didn't get as brown as I hoped it'd get, but the beans are nice and thick. The juice reduced down to thickness, but the bacon can still be eaten because it's done.
Yeah, it's reached a proper
So I'm
temperature.
going to take and get me a little bit of them, taste them.
Yeah. The beans cooked for approximately 40 minutes at 400 degrees.
Yeah, well. Just spill a little bit.
Yeah, we also let them sit for about 15 minutes to cool a bit, but they're still steamy hot.
Good. Good. You try to get a little piece of the bacon. Can't get the piece of bacon. Like that dog wants him some. There, I got a piece in.
He's like right behind you. I'm gonna lean it up. You see, he's camera shy. The camera to try to get him, and he moved. So is it good? Yep. All right. Well, thank you for joining us for Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. We have Mama Carter cook for you today.
Thank you.